are you doing, girl? How are you doing?
He's sad Mandoo.
Oh, are you a sad manduki? It's okay, girl. So that one looks like an elephant. And then this one looks like a whale.
Not anymore.
They do.
Looks like a cucumber now.
They look like a cucumber. Yes!
He doesn't know how to go up to food. Yes.
Mandoo! Come here, girl. Yes! Mandoo! Mandoo, come on.
Mandoo, come here.
Let's go.
Mandoo, come here. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Welcome to Lake George.
She applied.
Come on. Do you think it's gonna work? I know. What is that? It's warm? Oh, you made it work.
Mandoo.
Oh, she's eating. Okay, Mandiki.
I still don't think she wants it.
Maybe I'm one of those people that has always wanted to do it, but it's like a pipe dream for me, you know. And then you set it, you change your dreams, and then you grow up. Maybe I'm one of those people, and I'm not supposed to. And I can go back to school, and I can find something else that I'm supposed to do. Because I left to do that, and it's been 6 years, and I don't want to do it anymore.
Why?
Why what?
Why don't you want to do it anymore?
Because they think it hurts a little bit too much.
You're
Oh my god! Yo, you guys are way too crazy. I can't chill with you guys. Oh my gosh, she's pooping at me.
They want my food.
I got coffee.
okay, great.
Mandoo. Hi. Hi. Come on. Come on. Hi. Oh my god, there are two of them. That's so cute. How old are they?
3 months.
Both of them? Oh my god. Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Aww.
Take
Hi.
him on vacation too.
Oh, this is adorable. You guys should have an Instagram account for them. Do you?
Oh, we should have.
You're gonna get so many followers
That's actually a good idea.
and just like travel with them.
Take pictures of
Yeah.
videos, upload it to Instagram. That would actually be a pretty good idea. be a really good idea.
People like to start sending you treats and stuff.
Yeah, you can get sponsored.
That'd be kind of cool.
This is sugar?
That's cinnamon.
Oh, that's
This is
cinnamon?
sugar.
Cinnamon. Oh, they're so gentle.
Too quick.
Dog pizza. Thank you.
I don't think she likes it.
You did a lot, huh? That was a 3-hour car ride. Good girl, buddy. Good girl. You wanna go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Mandoo, go potty. Go potty, girl.
만들기.
Yes. That's okay, girl. I got you. I got you. Doesn't it feel great? Don't you love it? Don't you love it? 너무 잘한다. Wow. Look at that, girl. Doesn't it feel great? Doesn't it feel great, girl? Wow. What a good girl. What a good girl. Wow. Good girl. Apple, apple. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.